In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can send large files through Gmail on both PC and mobile. There's a super easy way to do it, and we're going to be going over that. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, open up any web browser and go to Gmail and hit compose to start a new email, just like so. If you hit the little attach files option on here, and let's just say I want to attach like a video, right? It'll go ahead and load, and if the file is larger than 25 megabytes, Gmail is going to automatically upload it to Google Drive. Whenever that upload finishes, simply hit send. You can also adjust the file sharing permissions to control who can view it or download it after you hit send. Now, mobile, it's pretty much the exact same thing, but what you'd want to do instead, just to make it a little bit quicker, is open up the Google Drive app first, tap the plus icon, hit upload file, and then choose whatever file you want to upload and wait for it to finish. Whenever it's uploaded, just go to the file, tap the three dots on it, hit share, enter in their email address, and then hit send. Or just open up the Gmail app and do what we just did. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is how you could send large files easily through Gmail. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.